My child, your mind is restless, isn't it? Thoughts swirling like a storm, questions without answers. But today, I will show you the secret to silence the noise and find true peace. Stay with me. Your journey begins now. Self confidence. Many people think confidence is something you are born with, like the color of your eyes or the shape of your hands, but that is not true. Confidence is not a gift, it is a skill. And like any skill, it can be learned, strengthened, and mastered. But tell me, how do you expect to feel strong if you keep doubting yourself? Today, I will share with you three simple truths I have learned, truths that can transform your self doubt into unshakable confidence. Many years ago, when I was a young student, I doubted myself too. I wondered if I was worthy, if I could succeed, if I had any value. One day, my master handed me a stone and said, "Take this to the marketplace. Ask every merchant how much they will pay for it, but no matter the offer, do not sell it." I did as he asked. The fruit seller laughed and said, "It is just a stone. I'll give you 1 coin." The cloth merchant glanced at it and said, "It is smooth. I'll give you 5 coins to use it as a paperweight." Finally, I went to a jeweler. His eyes widened. He held the stone to the light and whispered, This, this is no ordinary stone. This is a rare sapphire. I will pay you 1,000 gold coins for it." My master then said to me, "Remember this, your worth does not decrease because someone else cannot see it. Others may judge you by their small vision, but never forget your own value." So, my child, the first truth is this: know your value. Stop seeking validation from those who cannot see your worth. What others think of you is their opinion. What you believe about yourself, that is your truth. But how do you start believing in yourself? You must take action. Confidence is not built by thinking you cannot sit and wait for it to appear like the morning sun. Confidence comes from doing. Let me ask you, how does a child learn to walk? Not by reading, not by watching, but by falling and rising again. The second truth is this: act despite your doubts. If you wait to feel confident before you begin, you will wait forever. Take the first step, no matter how small. With every step, your fear shrinks and your confidence grows. You see, the mind is like a quiet servant. Whatever you tell it, it believes. If you keep saying, "I cannot," the mind will agree. But if you tell it, "I can and I will," the mind will follow that command. And now, the third truth: be kind to yourself. Too often you speak to yourself with harshness. If a friend made a mistake, would you insult them? Then why do you insult yourself when you stumble? A lotus blooms in the mud, not in perfect conditions. And so will you. Every mistake is a lesson, every failure is a stepping stone. The more patient you are with yourself, the stronger you become. My child, remember these three truths: know your value, act despite your doubts, and be kind to yourself. When the world is noisy with opinions, return to these truths. They will anchor you. You will stumble. This is natural. But with each step, you will rise stronger and your confidence will bloom like the lotus. So tell me, will you let the world define your worth, or will you rise and discover the strength that already lies within you? My child, wisdom grows when shared. Like this video, if it brought you peace, comment your thoughts so we may learn together, and subscribe, for the journey of the mind is endless, but you do not have to walk alone.